Scalar is an open-source publishing platform developed for long-form, born digital scholarship. It's best for media-rich and heavily annotated digital projects. In this tutorial, we'll discuss installing Scalar from within Create Digital. Log in to Create Digital and start from your cPanel. From the Applications section, click the Scalar icon. From this page, you can learn more about the Scalar platform, view a live demo, view updates, and visit example projects. To install Scalar, select the Install this application button from the top right. You'll select the location to which you would like to install Scalar. You can select the HTTPS option from the dropdown, or scroll down to choose any subdomains that you've previously created within your account. The domain or subdomain you select will make up the base of your site URL. If you'd like to add a subdirectory, which will add additional characters to the end of your site URL, you can do so from the directory option. The URL for your Scalar instance will be generated from the domain and directory. Next, you'll select the version of Scalar you'd like to install. The most recent recommended version will be the default selection. Make sure to read through the End User License Agreement, and if you accept, select the appropriate button. You can choose to automatically update to new versions of Scalar and to automate backups in case of an update failure. Pay close attention to the Settings section. Your email address will be automatically populated, but you will need to also enter your name and to create a secure password, which should not be your USC password. Enter a key of your choice in the registration key field, making sure to remember it as it will be important when working within Scalar. I suggest allowing your settings to be automatically managed, but if you're comfortable making adjustments, you can do so in the Advanced section. Once you have completed each field, select the Install button at the bottom right of the screen. You'll be taken to the Installatron, where you can view your installed applications, including your new Scalar instance. Scroll until you locate your new installation. You can access the live version of the site from the top URL, which will show an empty Scalar site, or the administrative portal of the URL +/login, which can also be used to edit your site outside of the Create Digital module. Unlike WordPress and Omeka, you only need to install Scalar once to create multiple Scalar projects, which are known as books. We'll explore the process of creating Scalar books within your Scalar instance in another tutorial.